The hamstring curl. So if you have a hamstring curl machine or access to one, then use it. Otherwise, then you got to improvise. I like using these loops that go around the ankle, and then I hook it up to my cable machine, but that's because I've got a cable machine. Not everyone has a cable machine. You can use a band and hook it to the bottom of a door or something like that. So the setup is like this. So essentially, you hook one leg at a time up to your band or to your cable, whatever you have access to. I use a box because then it lifts the hips and it just makes the movement work. And then I fold myself over the box like so. Okay, from here, chest goes down on the floor, and then I curl up and slowly lower back down. Curl up, slowly lower back down. And that is your hamstring curl.